I was expect £10,000 a month in property deal sourcing. What I like to do with every single goal that I have is I like to break my goal down. I like to work backwards. See, I believe in an analogy called boiling the frog. Because if I tell you, listen, if you're making £2,000 a month, and all of a sudden, I tell you you're going to make £10,000 a month, most times you won't believe it. Your brain won't even like fathom the thought of actually making 10K. What? Because you've never done it before, so it sounds like too good to be true. So what I like to do is I like to break things down. I like to break it down to the point where it's too good not to be true. So what we're going to do is, if you want to make 10K a month, we need to break it down. How much do you sell the average deal for? But I'll tell you, the average rent-to-rent deal will be the lowest barrier to entry in regards to the deal. All of the other ones are more expensive. It's around £3,000 per deal, right? I have done this countless of times. I've sold over 200 deals just myself. And what so many students have done. Here's the thing though. Let's just be super conservative. Let's say you give a discount. Let's say you sell a deal for £500 less, which means the deal is sold for £2,500. If we really break it down, that's equivalent to 4 deals. So 2,500 times 4 equates to £12,000. Okay, cool. Now we go and sell 4 deals. Well, if you want to sell 4 deals a month, there's an average of about 4 weeks in a month. So that means you go to sell 1 deal a week. So the 1 week your focus is getting the deal sold. 2.5K at a discount, you sell 4 deals, that equates to £10,000 a month. Now, some people may ask everyone how they sell a deal if it's so easy. Well, I'll tell you how, mate. Before you can sell a deal, you need to learn how to find a deal. You can't sell what you don't have. So you need to learn how to have the deal, which means go out and get the deal. Right, if you learn about how to get rent-to-rent, for example, because the 2 most popular deals that I sell and most of my investors want, I'll tell you, number 1 is rent-to-rent deals. Whether it be rent to HMO, whether it be a student accommodation, whether it be social housing, rent-to-rent deals are the 2 most popular deals that investors want. Why? Because the barrier to entry in rent-to-rent deals are lower than any other property strategy. Because the average investor is what £5,000 in the account, which means he can potentially get a rent-to-rent deal. So the reality of it is, what you're going to find is that there are more people looking for rent-to-rent deals than there are for any other deals. The second most popular deal that investors want is the buy, refurbish, rent and refinance property deal. Why? Because an investor has got some money. He doesn't want to put all the money in the property. He wants to be able to put the money in and get the money back out in a few months and repeat the process. So he'll pay you a lot of money for that. Now, that's what I was saying to you. If you can't find rent-to-rent deals, if you can't find buy, refurbish, and refinance deals, you can't sell it. So the first thing you have to do is you have to be able to be very good at finding them. Then you can sell them on to investors. And that's how you can actually go step by step and you can make £10,000 doing the property deal sourcing. When they go get knowledge, you won't know exactly how to find deals. And number 2, you've got to know what people are looking for. Go out there and find it for them. That's it to them. Make the money in between 2.5K on average. You can sell it for 1 a week, 4 months, £10,000. That's how you make 10K. It's the pre-go. Before you go out there and do this, make sure you smash the like button. It takes 1 second, man. Smash the like button right now. Right now, after you smash the like button, go and use your phone and smash the subscribe button. Because if you're not subscribed, you can't get access to know when I posted a new video, which will be daily. So make sure you smash the like, smash the subscribe. Hope you enjoy this content. Have a good day. See you later.